kâr,
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 kâr can be a noun, a verb or a name. As a noun, kâr can mean 1. Grief, sorrow, 2. Close attention, concern, responsibility, 3. Worry, 4. Maintenance, upkeep, 5. The treatment of those in need, especially as a profession, 6. The state of being cared for by others, 7. The object of watchful attention or anxiety. As a verb, kâr can mean 1. To be concerned about, to have an interest in, to feel concern about, 2. To want, to desire, to like, to be inclined towards, 3. With for, to look after or look out for, 4. To mind, to object. As a name, kâr can mean surname.
Our healthcare system relies on generics.